Today we are going to study poetic meter. What is poetic meter? It is the basic rhyme structure of a verse. You may want to think of it as the rhythm that makes up a poem. The poetic meter of each line of a poem is composed of a certain number of feet. For example, if a line of a poem reads da-dum, 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 or dum, da-dum, 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 the da's are unstressed syllables and the dums are stressed syllables. We identify the type of feet that make up the meter by the order of the da's and the dums. You are probably familiar with iambic pentameter, one of the most common types of meter. An iamb or iambic foot consists of an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable, such as in the word destroy. The first syllable, D, is marked unstressed by an X, and the second syllable, stroy, is marked stressed by a forward slash. A trochaic foot is the opposite of an iambic foot, with a stressed syllable followed by an unstressed syllable, as in the word bedroom. An anapestic foot is two unstressed syllables followed by one stressed syllable, as in interact. And a dactylic foot is composed of one stressed syllable followed by two unstressed syllables, as in jeopardy. There are also a couple more and less common types of feet, such as spondaic, which is two stressed syllables, and pyrrhic, which is two unstressed syllables. Meter tells us how many feet are in one line of a poem or verse. If a poem is written in trimeter, for example, it is made up of 3 feet per line. These lines can be composed of any type of feet, such as iambic or trochaic or anapestic. So, for example, trochaic trimeter sounds like dum da dum da dum da. It has 3 trochaic feet. Iambic tetrameter sounds like da dum da dum da dum da dum. It has 4 iambic feet. An anapestic pentameter sounds like da-da-dum, 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 da-da-dum. It has 5 anapestic feet. Here are some examples of verses using different types of poetic meter. Remember, each line is made up of one specific type of meter. An iambic pentameter, or 5 iambic feet, sounds like this, from William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. But soft, what light through yonder window breaks. And trochaic tetrameter, or 4 trochaic feet, sounds like this, from Henry Wadsworth Longfellow's The Song of Hiawatha. By the shores of Gitche Gumee, by the shining big sea water, stood the wigwam of Nokomis, daughter of the moon Nokomis. Can you tell which type of meter this is? From Edna St. Vincent Millay's I, Being Born a Woman and Distressed. To bear your body's weight upon my breast, so subtly is the fume of life designed, to clarify the pulse and cloud the mind, and leave me once again undone, possessed. This was written in iambic pentameter, or da-dum, 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 to bear your body's weight upon my breast. We can use poetic meter, for example, to determine what type of poem we are reading. A Shakespearean sonnet is composed of 14 lines of iambic pentameter. We can also use poetic meter to determine the tone of a poem. Clement Clarke Moore's A Visit from St. Nicholas creates a feeling of excitement and anticipation by using anapestic meter. So today in class, think about the form of the poems you read and what that tells you about the content of the poems. I'll see you in class.